It is Jomo Kenyatta that once said, I quote, "When you fight for black people, you must make sure that you use one hand, because the other hand is the one that you'll be using to defend yourself against the same black people that you are fighting for." He was right. I totally agree with him. When you fight for black people, the biggest pushback that you will get will come from black people. We have been so abused by the system to the point where we have accepted survival mode. Money is the one thing that defeats us as black people. That is a fact that we cannot dispute. Fighting for black people is the biggest risk that any black person can take, because if you fight for black people, it is the same black people that will be bought, and it is the same black people that will allow themselves to be bought for the sake of them being better off. And they will not even think about the bigger picture, because what matters for us as black people is for us to eat. And it is not even in a plural sense, it is in a singular sense. If you as a black person are well off, you don't care about the rest, because you are comfortable wherever you are. That is the problem that we face. Even if we look at the people that we call political leaders, or the people that we call our leaders, these people only care about sustaining their comfort zones, sustaining their security, sustaining their privilege. They do not care about poor people. Poor people are just people that are referred to as voting sheep. The politicians know that they need the poor people, but only for votes. It's a fact.